we discuss about the Micell's formation. So what is a Micell? So we discussed earlier a soap contains two parts called a very long hydrocarbon part which is hydrophobic and the short ionic part which is hydrophilic. So what happens is, so this is a typical one soap molecule, and this also all these are typical soap molecules. So what happens is, see, in this soap molecule the hydrophobic hydrocarbon part will point inwards, while the ionic part, that is the carboxylic or hydrophilic part, will point outwards. And all the soap molecules present in the solution will be oriented in a circular manner, and such a circular aggregation of the soaps as well as the detergents is known as the Micell formation. Now we discuss about the cleansing action of the soap. So what is how the soap or a detergent can clean anything? It can clean anything. So this is happening actually. See, whenever you have a certain dirt in your cloth and which is put in a soap solution, what happens is, here you have the hydrocarbon part, and which is non-polar and which is soluble in fat or oil. So what happens? So here you have the grease or the dirt and oil or anything which is in your cloth. So what happens here in the soap, the hydrophobic part, these are the hydrophobic part which are fat soluble or oil soluble, they are stick onto the cloth, not the oil or to the dirt, not cloth, oil or onto the dirt, while the hydrophilic part will point towards the water, and thereby there forms a micell. As we discussed earlier, there forms a micell. And what happens is, when a certain concentration exceeds, this hydrophilic part which interacts with the water, this water will pull this hydrophilic part, and as a result the micell will break up, and the oil and grease will detach from the surface of the cloth, and thereby the cloth get cleans. So this is the cleansing action of soap as well as the detergent. So here YouTube link is attached in this one. You may go through this YouTube video in order to get a better idea. Now we quickly go through the advantages and disadvantages of soap. Soaps are actually eco-friendly and biodegradable, and it is non-toxic also. Since we are preparing the soap from the fat or oil which are naturally occurring, this can be biodegraded. What are the disadvantages? Suppose you have hard water. You may have heard about hard water, and this is one of the identification of whether the water is hard or not. Soap will not form good lather with the hard water. See, the water taken from the borewell are somewhat hard. So soaps are not suitable in hard water, and they have weak cleansing property than detergent, and that's another disadvantage. Soaps will not work in acidic media. It's not a good cleansing agent in acidic media. That's another disadvantage of soap. Now we discuss about the detergents. Detergents are the sodium salts of long chain benzene sulfonic acids. Detergents are primarily surfactants which could be produced easily from petrochemicals. Surfactants lower the surface tension of water, essentially making it wetter so that it is less likely to stick to itself and more likely to interact with oil and grease. The ionic group of the detergent is SO3 minus Na plus. While in soap it was COO minus Na plus. While in detergent this is the group present. We have certain example for the detergents. One is, this is a chemical formula, sodium para-dodecyl benzene sulfonate, then sodium lauryl sulfate, or sodium N-dodecyl sulfate. These are certain example for the detergents. Now remember, the cleansing action of the detergent are same as that of the soap. Now we'll discuss about the advantages of detergents. Since detergents are the salts of strong acids, they do not decompose in acidic media. Okay, so the soaps will decompose in acidic media. Thus, detergents can effectively clean fabric even the water is acidic. Synthetic detergents are more soluble in water than soaps. They have stronger cleansing action than soaps. As the detergents are derived from petroleum, they save natural vegetable oils, which are important as essential cooking oil. Now we go through disadvantages. Many detergents are resistant to the action of biological agents and thus are not biodegradable. It's a disadvantage. Their elimination from municipal wastewater by the usual treatments is a problem. They have a tendency to produce stable forms in rivers that extends over several hundred meters of the river water. This is due to the effects of surfactants used in the preparation. Thus, they pose a danger to aquatic life. They tend to inhibit oxidation of organic substances present in wastewater, and because they form sort of envelope around them. Now finally we go to the differences. Soaps, these are metal salts of long chain fatty acids, while these are sodium salts of long chain hydrocarbons like alkyl sulfates or alkyl benzene sulfonates. These are prepared from vegetable oils, while these are from petroleum industry. They cannot be used effectively in hard water. They produce scum with hard water. These do not produce insoluble precipitate in hard water, and they are effective in soft or as well as hard water. Okay, thank you.